This one I'm probably the most excited about out of all my flowers this year, and I'll share with you why. This is a cutting that I started. I was given this by my mother-in-law. It was just looked like a hard branch. I actually cut it in half to make two cuttings. I gave half to my wife and I took half. We were going to race to see who could propagate it the fastest, and it was going to be a 3-year race is what we were calling it, because they say plumeria, this is called a plumeria tree. Plumeria take you typically 3 years to root into flower when you have a cutting. So the first year it typically starts to root, the second year is developing all the roots, and the third year it will finally flower. But I just happen to be an incredibly awesome gardener or something, because it bloomed the first year. And my God, is it beautiful. It's just this incredible looking flower. The shape is just incredible that it would come out that way. And then you can't tell here, but it's got these yellow, or it's bright yellow with white around the edge and just really light pink around the edge too. That's beautiful. And what's even more incredible about this plant, I wish you could smell it, because it is such a beautiful fragrance. In Hawaii, this is a Hawaiian tree. They grow huge, and they're just covered in these plumeria flowers, and they just smell so beautiful. But they're all over the place in Hawaii. These flowers get really big. This is a small one, but they get really big, and then they're all over the place. They smell beautiful, and they're these thick, beautiful leaves. But yeah, they're supposed to take 3 years to root and then to flower. Mine has been going, I don't know, maybe 6 months. We got flowers, baby. I can't believe it. I'm shocked. I knew it would root and it would do well. I started this in my grow tent before I moved it outside. I've had it outside maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and wasn't sure how it would do outdoors, but she is like the sun. So this is my plumeria plant. Moving on. This, if you don't know, this is just a simple aloe vera plant. Use this for sunburns and stuff like that. Break off the tips, and there's it's aloe vera on the inside. Pretty straightforward.